Hello, this is Running Robert, and today we're going to be talking about the Cara Therapeutics CARA clinical trial results summary for the 13th of June, 2024. We are really just going to be looking at the results, talking about what they mean. It's not positive. There's not much bullish and bearish parts I can give to this because this is mostly bearish, let's be honest. But we're doing the video, we're going for it, let's do it. So I generally follow small cap pharma. I do some games. I do a little bit of everything. So if you like what I'm doing, please like and subscribe. It helps out a lot. And thank you. I do not own shares anymore. So I did pick up the shares at 60 cents. Super awesome. I did sell post market at 65. Don't know why, but I'm not going to argue with it. A little profit when a company goes under, not terrible. I'm an amateur investor, and any advice given should be followed by your own due diligence, and any information given is valid for today, the 13th of June, and this slideshow will not be updated. Okay, so what happened? Cara to seek strategic alternative after its drug trial failure in, I'm not going to try to pronounce that, Pertis. Damn. Results are supposed to be in the third quarter of 2024. We have actually started to see a little bit of a raise in anticipation of those results, as the company did get up to 70 cents. Of course, this is the only time we get an early readout, always when the drug just utterly shits the bed. They do have another product, Korsuva. It does not have CMS payments as of the 31st of March. That is Medicaid and Medicare. So private insurances still cover it, or some of them do, but it's when you take out CMS payments, it's bad. It's bad. There is still a lot of cash, 70 million in the first quarter of 2024. Obviously, if you don't have any clinical trials, and they get royalties for Korsuva from another company, so they don't have salespeople. You're gonna have cash for a while, but yeah, that's what you're just sitting on 70 million of cash. The market cap as of right now is like 35 million, so sitting on double. Some people look at that as an advantage, but meh. The company will either look to acquire a drug or will be used by a private company that wants to go public. Those are generally what happens in this case. Is the company, one, they're able to acquire something cheap, and at that point they might still have the cash to make it through. It's a possibility. Or private companies like, you know what, we want to get into this, and it's easier if you already have a shell company. So I don't know the IPO process very well, because like I said, I mainly cover pharma, drug trial, stuff like that. So companies do it, and if you do it, you get 70 million in cash or whatever's left. So I guess that works kind of well. But yeah. But unfortunately, there's really not much more to say. It's going to be a while as the company explores its options, and there's just really no reason to cover this stock any further. It's sad that you have something that does not have any treatment options fail. It definitely sucks. But that's kind of what you want. If the drug does not work, you don't want it to be, you don't want to pay for it. That's simple enough. So like I said, at this point, Cara is kind of dead. It's going to be dead for a while. I'm going to stop following, covering it. But yeah, I know I'm supposed to be bullish and bearish. Hopefully I gave you some information so that if you're like, hey, I want to invest because of the money, or I just want to be done because that's what I got. That is all on your choice. You have the information, use it as you like. So thank you very much for listening and watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.